Welcome to my channel Silver Graphics. In today's video, I'll be showing you top 5 freelance websites for graphic designers to make money in 2022. Kindly subscribe and turn on notification. Let's get started. 5. LinkedIn. LinkedIn allows members, both workers and employers, to create profiles and connect with each other in an online social network. The platform hosts hundreds of thousands of service providers under every category. The interesting thing about the marketplace is it's already quite crowded. LinkedIn can also be used to organize offline events, join groups, write articles, publish job postings, post photos and videos, and more. It's also a very good platform for job opportunities and allows employers to job for freelancers. LinkedIn is a goldmine for finding freelance opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer struggling to get work or looking to expand your client base, there's a bit of something for everyone. However, it's easy to use. There are no fees at this point. 4. People per Hour. People per Hour does a good job of pairing clients with professionals compared to other websites for freelancers. With the help of artificial intelligence, People per Hour brings freelancers and clients together in a more streamlined, precise way. Once clients submit the project scope, the artificial intelligence system analyzes the details and matches the project with qualified freelancers. Those freelancers are invited to submit their proposals, setting their own prices, and clients choose from a curated selection. In People per Hour, freelancers can search for projects, buyers can search for freelancers, and both sellers and buyers can choose whoever they want to work with. People per Hour remains one of the best freelancer websites because clients and freelancers alike can avoid wasting their time searching for the right fit. Plus, People per Hour builds payments into the system to protect both parties from messy payment disagreements. Sign up and start freelancing. 3. Behance. Behance is an amazing graphic design freelance website where you can find amazing graphic designers and jobs. If you are a graphic designer, you would love this website. Behance allows graphic designers to create portfolios for their variety of skills. This also applies to other digital skills outside graphic design. There are different graphic designers that post their designs. Right here is an option of jobs on Behance. You click on jobs and you will see all of the jobs available. A good thing about Behance is that you will find all of these jobs that are near you, so that's actually pretty amazing. All of these jobs are freelancing jobs and you can just click on any of them to apply. Once you click on apply, you'll be able to apply for the job. If you don't have a Behance account, simply sign up for Behance and start freelancing. 2. Upwork. Upwork allows clients to interview, hire, and work with freelancers and freelance agencies through the company's platform. It connects clients and freelancers from across the globe. The platform provides a wide range of different categories of digital services to customer service. The client posts a description of their job and a price range they are willing to pay for a freelancer to complete it. The client may invite specific freelancers to apply for their jobs, or else post the job for any freelancer who is interested to apply. Once the client has chosen who they want to complete the job, they hire that freelancer by sending a contract with set hours, pay rate, and a deadline for the work to be completed. Freelancers have multiple ways to connect with clients. Buyers can choose to post a job and hire talent or buy a predefined service from the project catalog. Similarly, freelancers can access the job board and offer a service to sell. To get started as a freelancer with Upwork, sign up and begin by creating a profile. Ensure it includes details about yourself, your expertise, and your work experience. It's a high-paying platform for freelancers. Highly recommended. 1. Fiverr. Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers, sellers, to people or businesses, buyers, looking to hire. Their services are referred to as gigs. Fiverr is a freelance website that makes it easy for freelancers and business owners to communicate with one another. Highest paying jobs on Fiverr include website design, graphic design, copywriting, and resume writing, and much more, and the site is increasingly bringing its freelancers high income. Freelancers work from a variety of workplaces, ranging from home to office. The platform is a global market. Sellers can sign up for free post of their gigs and establish their own prices. Customers can shop by browsing through several categories. There are no hourly fees. Instead, a project-based pricing is determined with an SSL certificate that secures billing, and personal information. Sellers can be assured of secure payments in addition. Customer service is available 24 hours a day. Fiverr is highly recommended for all graphic designers as it's a high-paying platform. Other freelance websites include 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a digital graphic design company. It helps businesses find the high-quality designs they need by connecting them with freelance graphic designers. TopTal. TopTal is a freelance marketplace where employers can hire freelance software developers, designers, finance experts, and project managers around the world. FlexJobs. This is an online platform for finding flexible jobs, including remote work, freelance work, and part-time positions. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks for watching.